Most of my clients are shocked at just how unclean store and restaurant salad dressings can be. These dressings can turn a plate of nutrient dense leafy greens into a not so clean dish that leaves you feeling super bloated. Salad dressings can be loaded in calories, fat, and sodium. Most assume that the light, low calorie, or low fat label is a cleaner option. What most don't realize is that even though those low fat and low calorie dressings, they may be low in fat and calories, but they're still super high in sodium, leading to bloat and water retention. So take a look at some of these store-bought dressings along with the nutrition facts. So, what are cleaner options? Take a look at some store-bought brands that are lower in calories and sodium. You can also easily create some homemade dressings with affordable and easy to find ingredients. Attached are some recipes that you can easily follow, so download those at your convenience.